Hey y'all, we're here with Barbie and I. We're here in Vegas we're at the Plaza Hotel where The Weeknd recorded one of his music videos, and we've got Barbie Extra number 12 with me. I brought her to the hotel. So yeah, right here we're at the Plaza Hotel in Vegas. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna be unboxing this new Barbie Extra number 12. I'm so excited about her. And let's see, we got a pretty good view. So we got a nice mountain view, none of the strip. So we're kind of we're at the very end of Fremont Street. And I absolutely love this hotel. You guys gotta check it out. Look at, so a nice room. We got my friend Anthony, he's in the shower singing. And let's see, so we got Barbie Extra here with us. And today I'm so excited because, so last time we went to Cirque du Soleil, but today we're gonna go over and see the Barbie exhibit at the Crystal Shop. And I'm so excited. So let's unbox this Barbie and see what she looks like. So let's open her up and see what she looks like. Sometimes I save the art, but we're just gonna open her right up. Look at this. Let's see. We've got all these little pieces here. Well, I just messed up her hair. Oh man, don't open it like I did. Totally just messed up her hair. Okay, so I gotta be more careful with these babies. Oh, lost a shoe. Her shoes are really cute. They've got these little ruffles on them. Yeah, very cute. Okay, so she has her little head tippy things. Just gotta carefully take out her hair. Okay, and then like I said, oh man, you guys, I messed up her hair. Oh no. It's okay. We're gonna brush it out anyway, see what it looks like. So let's flip her braid over. Oh, it's like attached to her bracelet. Look at that. They almost make these like you're supposed to leave them in the box or something. Let's see. So her braid goes on that side. Yeah, she's cute. Let's see. We're gonna take this plastic thing off. Let's see how she looks like without it. Yeah, I like that a lot more. Okay. I can't get this braid to stay on that side, so later we're gonna have to use some water and maybe re-braid it. But anyway, this looks really cool. I love her hearts. Look at her purse. It has little purple sparkles in it. There's too many bracelets on. So extra. Let's see. So yeah, let's go see the Barbie exhibit in Vegas. Woohoo! Gucci, baby. Dolce & Gabbana. Whoa. Really big. She's doing it. Hey guys, we made it here at the Shops at Crystals in Vegas. Barbie's here. guys, we made it. Here at the Shops at Crystals in Vegas. So excited. Let's go on in. So we made it to the Barbie exhibit.